Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed that thumbnail and that intro. I had some people asking on the last video for these eBay saddlebag installs. You know, what happened to the original outfit for the thumbnail? Why'd you change? So there it was, still got it on. Since I posted that last video, I'm assuming I bought the last set of these bags in the world because I cannot find them for sale anymore on Amazon or eBay to share the link with you guys. But I will post a link to the other eBay hard bags I almost got. They're square, they're not round like these are right here. They're a little more boxy. So those are a little bit more in price. I think they're around $100 now. I'll post those in the link below. They're very similar, and I think they're made by the same company. And that square bag might have just outdated these, or you know, they might have just discontinued these bags, and those square ones that are in the link below are the new bag that this company is selling. Anyway, this is going to be the video for the final review on these bags, my thoughts, how I like them, how they function. So let's get started with it. All right, so here's the bags here. If you haven't seen the first video, I'll put a link in the description above right now for the first install review video on these cheap hard bags. There is a couple different ones. Like I said earlier, the link below for the new model that this company is producing will be below. So here they are. I decided I do like the bags. They work for what I need them to work for, and that is commuting to work with my lunchbox, some food, a change of clothes, because I do shift work. So that being said, they are serving their purpose for now. And as you can see, that's them opened up. This is a canopy. I brought a fence to one of my friends today for their goats, so that is normally not in there. But you can see I have a hat, I have a change of clothes in that side right now. I got some rope, a couple bungee cords, you know, to carry stuff. You know, just for knowledge purposes, a 12-pack will not fit in one of these bags. You have to split it, and the cans actually fit laying down perfectly, 6 on each side, so that works. They will hold weight. The hinges I've held up, you can see the hinges are a little floppy, and all the mounts are still good. And at this point, as of right now, I am going to leave these mounts like this, looking all ugly. I'm not going to work on them at all anymore. The reason being for that, these bags do serve a purpose. They're priced right. They get you by for what you need if you just need some regular saddlebags, but I will not be keeping them. So that is my final verdict. I'm kind of too OCD, and you can see right there when you close the lid, it just like all shaky and, you know, floppy on there and stuff. Which, yeah, I can go in there and make some new brackets and make some new mounts to secure it up. And I was originally planning on doing that and painting these things to match the color on the bike. But after I rode them, I got about 200 miles on them. I've decided for $60 when I purchase these, they are going to function for what I need for my commute to work until I can save up and buy some leather pros. So I am going to run these just the way they are with the original mounts they came with. See, that's one big thing right there. Do you guys see that? How it just, I just can't. I mean, yeah, it works, it functions. You have to like kind of line the lid up to get this thing to close, and they're just kind of cheap. This is plastic right here, so when you close it, it kind of flops down like that. You have to line it up, kind of line the lid up to the seams, and then you can lock it down. But yeah, I am going to save up for leather pros. I'm not going to put any more time and effort in these. You know, hopefully in a couple months I can flip for the coin to get the leather pros. But for now, I mean, these work. They do work. They are functional. They're 60 bucks. They're not horrible. If I wasn't so OCD, they would probably be fine. You know, I might like them. And the other reason I'm going to go with leather pros and not put any more time in these is they're just a hair too narrow. Now, as far as looks wise, if that's what you're going for, if you're going for, you know, you want your Dyna or bagger to have some sleek looking bags, and you want to spend the time and making some custom mounts, you know, these would definitely be the way to go for sure. They look awesome. You know, I've had a couple of compliments on them already. You know, like none the wiser, you wouldn't really think they would be cheap bags. So if you're in for looks and you just want to be able to put a t-shirt, a baseball cap, maybe a couple beers, a bottle of water, you know, your cell phone, these would be perfect. But I wanted to give you guys my honest review on them and let you know what I thought. I mean, but looks wise, they look good. And for 60 bucks, I mean, which I can't find them now. I mean, I'll try and find them again and link them up in this video, but they're not too bad. So I'm kind of, you know, I mean, I would recommend them to anyone if they're going for a cheap, you know, really want to add to the look of the bike, because I mean, it still looks awesome with those bags on there. But if you're really into, you know, hard long distance riding, you pack up for the weekend with your girl, hop on the back, you got some weight in there, you know, you have a 12-pack of beer with you all the time, which I wouldn't recommend ever drinking and driving. But if you're carrying a lot of weight in there, I can't see them lasting very long. So yeah, there it is, guys. That is the final verdict. I will be running them for now until my bank account allows me to buy some Leather Pros. Alright guys, there it is, the full review of these cheap online hard saddlebags. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to make it quick. I kind of ended up talking a lot more than I was planning on doing, but hope you guys enjoyed the review. We'll be back with more videos soon. As always, please like and subscribe. Love you guys.